If your videos look faded, dull, or washed out in CapCut Desktop, don't worry. This is usually an easy fix. In this video, I'll show you how to fix washed out colors in CapCut Desktop step by step, so your footage looks more vibrant, more natural, and much more professional. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more CapCut tips, editing tricks, and beginner-friendly guides. Let's jump right in. First, open CapCut Desktop and load the project that has the clip with the washed out colors. Once your project is open, click on the video clip in the timeline so it becomes selected. This is important because the adjustment controls only appear for the clip you're working on. Now, look over to the right panel and find the adjustment section. This is where CapCut gives you control over the overall look of your video, including contrast, saturation, exposure, brightness, highlights, and shadows. To start fixing the washed out look, increase the contrast slightly. You do not want to push it too far right away because too much contrast can make the video look harsh or unnatural. A small boost is often enough to bring back depth and definition. Next, increase the saturation until the colors start looking more natural. If your video looks too gray, too flat, or like it lost its color, saturation is usually the setting that makes the biggest difference. Move it gradually and watch the preview as you adjust because a little can go a long way. After that, check the highlights, shadows, exposure, and brightness. These controls help you fine-tune the image if the clip still feels a little off. If the video looks too bright, reduce exposure slightly. If the whites are too strong or blown out, lower highlights a bit. If the darker parts of the image are too heavy or too flat, adjust shadows until the balance looks better. And if the overall image is simply too dark or too light, use brightness to make small corrections. The goal here is not to over-edit the clip, but to bring the colors back to life while keeping the video looking clean and realistic. As you make each change, keep checking the preview so you can compare the original washed out look with the improved version. Once the footage looks right, you're done, and you've successfully fixed washed out colors in CapCut Desktop. This simple workflow can make a huge difference, especially if you want your videos to look more polished and more professional without using complicated color grading tools. If this video helped you, please like the video and subscribe for more easy editing tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.